Let's have a look at now the TORRAS U Pro Case. Make your stand there. And there is a bit more about it on the back there as well. This is a drop-proof case. I'm going to have a look at it as you see. So here it is just here. We're going to use it for our iPhone Pro 15 Max. You can also use it for your iPhone Pro 17 Max. I'm going to start with, here's some buttons you can put on the side as well to also protect your buttons, which I think is a lovely touch. And here is the case. Now to start with, look at that color. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Now, again, you can see just here, so it's a very, very lightweight case. It only feels like a few grams. It's very light. And you've got this shock-proof there on the front. So see the buffers there, around there, and on the bottom there as well. So it's got a very secure grip. So hold it there in your hand. Actually, let's get the phone out and pop it in there. I'll show you guys how it fits. So again, because it's such a seal, you've got to literally squeeze it in like that, and then pop it in like that. And there you go. It just pops in, and there it is. So look at that for a secure grip. It fits perfectly. And look at the low phone profile too. It hardly sits up at all, and also protects the lens. So see how the lens are behind there, which is a really nice touch. I love the different colors, and you can see the contour there on the phone too. And there is the plugs in there, and you can use the buttons there as well. Now this is where it gets really interesting, the clip here. So this is a 360 clip, which enables you to be able to hold your phone up. So you want to go that way, you want to go that way, or that way. It moves all around the place. So say you want to sit your phone up like that, you can do it. Say you want to put your phone up like that, you can do it. So you want to go and watch like that, you can do it. It's built enough for 30,000 clips this is, which I think is absolutely fantastic. So there it is just there. Lightweight protection, secure grip, and a great fitting phone case.